Hey guys, what's up? Gibby Tech here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Apple Magic Mouse to your iPad. Now this will work with iPads only up to, I believe, 11 or 12 or later. So what you need to do to pair is go to, you can do this, long press on settings, then go to Bluetooth, and then scroll down. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn on your Magic Mouse, and then it should pop up. Magic Mouse 2. So now that's paired. The really cool feature about this is that you have the academic touch. And then there you have it, you have the little pointer thing, kind of like a computer. And then, and also, pretty cool thing about this, and this has a scroll feature on it. I'm not sure if it's not working. And there you go. If you go to General, and then click on Track Mouse, and then you can go to tracking speed to change the settings, but this is pretty slow for me on the default settings, so this is fast. Anyway, and I have the secondary click, which is right, because on the right click you can do copy, paste, whatever, kind of like on normal computers, so I have that set to right. And then if you go down to accessibility, you can scroll down and go to pointer control. You can adjust your pointer size, but I have it on this size because I don't need it any bigger than this. And then you can also adjust the scroll speed, which can, well, I have it set on almost the middle because the default setting's too slow. Anyway, yeah, so you can do that. And then this is accessibility touch, whatever you call this. You can also go home. And then this is a really cool part that Apple added. That you can scroll down to your different apps. And then you can go to iMovie. And then this is really cool and really good for editing, because you can scroll down, you can do whatever you want really. And then click on it, do this other thing, which is really, really clever and very clean looking. And very professional, I should say. But that Apple really did do a good job to adding this. You can also copy and paste, which is really neat. So yeah. So that is how you pair a Apple Magic Mouse with your iPad and do these other features. If you guys want to know how to pair your Magic Mouse to like a PC Windows, give it a thumbs up and I will do it. And comment down below if you want more tutorials like this. It would really help. And so this is really clever. I'm really glad Apple added this feature to a Magic Mouse. Also, I do have an iMac unboxing coming up. That will be coming really soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, I have an announcement. I will be starting a gaming channel that's going to be coming up really soon. So stay tuned for that. I will link in the description below. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you think this tutorial is helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you want more tutorials like these, I'll be happy to do so. And if you haven't, and if you would like to, please subscribe to the channel. It'll really help. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out. And have a great holiday.